We'll guide you through how to use Apple ChatGPT on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Safari browser on your Mac and go to the Apple ChatGPT website by typing chatgpt.apple.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see a welcome screen with a Sign In button in the top right corner. Click on it and use your Apple ID to log in. If you don't have an Apple ID, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. After signing in, you'll be taken to the main interface of Apple ChatGPT. Here, you can start a new conversation by typing in the chat box at the bottom of the screen. Simply enter your query or request and press the return key on your keyboard. ChatGPT will process your input and display a response in the chat window. If you want to refine your query or ask a follow-up question, just type it in the same chat box. You can also adjust the settings by clicking on the settings icon, usually located in the top right corner next to your profile picture. Here, you can customize preferences such as language, response style, and notification settings to tailor your experience. To end a session, simply close the browser tab or sign out from your account by clicking on your profile picture and selecting Sign Out. Using Apple ChatGPT is a seamless way to get quick answers or engage in creative tasks, all integrated smoothly with your Apple ecosystem. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.